Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So I've got something that I tried to order from Soarsky and they cancelled my order and sent it me out anyway. I was going to pay for this because I basically always needed one and never got round to buying one. I've got a couple of these tools from MIP that I picked up over years, but I've not got a full set. So yeah, let's bring in for a close-up look and I'll give you some idea what this is. So as always, I'll leave a link in the description to these, but they've got a whole bunch of different ones that you can order and different combinations. But basically we get a really nice lightweight but very grippy screwdriver handle, and then you order whatever attachments you want and they just snap in really nice. But yeah, they just make working on the RCs a little bit easier if you've got some deep sunk nuts that you need to undo. But yeah, they're just really convenient, and you can also use it with the MIP screwdriver bits, so your speed bits. Just makes it really convenient to just snap them in. You've got a nice handle, and I like the way they come with this little carry case. These, if I remember, let's have a look what size we've got. So for these, we've got a 7mm box driver. I think that's an 8mm box driver. We've got a 5.5, and I think that's a 4. So quite a good choice, quite a good range. And I like the fact that if you're anything like me and your tools end up strewn across your desk, if you don't get these little clips to hold them, it's just nice and convenient. I do like the build quality of this. So we have got a cap that'll screw round, so if you're screwing something in, it's not going to chew your palm up. The cap will actually rotate. The collar will as well. And it's just very quick and easy to use. There's quite a few little tools that I've picked up over years that just make your life so much easier, and I think this is going to be one of them. They're relatively cheap. I think they start at less than $10. And depending how many of the ends you want to pick up. But yeah, when you're working on RCs, it's just very nice and convenient to be able to just grab whatever drive you need and then just be able to work on the RC. So you can just take the wheel nut off and really quickly straight back on, and it is less fiddly than messing around with these little things. They're not always the best to hold, whereas these really quick and convenient. And obviously you order the set that's more applicable to the type of RCs you've got. For me, I just wanted to try see what the quality of it was like, to be totally honest, and see what these box drivers look like. And I think, to be totally honest, I think I'll grab a few more, and certainly probably end up grabbing some screwdriver tips as well, because it's just a very convenient little set to have. It's going to cover you for most things. So yeah, this was something that I wanted to order in, and Soarsky went, we're planning on sending you some stuff, so we'll send it along. Yeah, I would have definitely spent my own money on this if Soarsky had sent it me anyway. So thought I'd just share it with you guys, see what you think. Looks reasonable quality. Tried it on a few nuts, seems to fit perfectly well, and multiple attempts of putting that in, taking it out, doesn't seem to be having any issues. It's not getting stuck. It's one of them quite cheap but definitely extremely useful tools to have in your kit. So let's wrap this one up. So there we have it. little screwdriver kit with quick release ends. This one I've got the box drivers, but yeah, nice bit of kit from Soarsky, pretty cheap. I'll put link in description below as usual. They range from like $4.99 upwards depending what you're getting. Pretty much same in dollars and pounds cheapest, but if you use Wtf Rc, you'll get another 5% off of most things on the Soarsky site, so I'll leave that in description as well. But yeah, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.